Tired of guessing shipping costs on your Wix store and scaring away potential customers? Let's dive into how to automatically calculate those pesky shipping fees, making your life and your customers' lives a whole lot easier in this quick tutorial. First things first, head over to your Wix dashboard and locate the Settings tab on the left-hand sidebar. This is your control panel for all things store-related. Click on it. Now, within Settings, find the E-commerce and Finance section. Under that, you'll see Shipping and Fulfillment. Click there. This is where the shipping magic happens. Time to configure your shipping regions. Wix allows you to set specific shipping rules for different geographic locations. Click Add Region and define where you'll be shipping to. For example, you can set different rules for domestic versus international shipping. Next, choose your shipping calculation method. Wix offers various options like flat rate, where you charge a fixed amount, free shipping for orders above a certain value, rate by weight or price, or even better, connecting to a carrier to calculate rates in real time. For the most accurate shipping cost, select the Calculate Rate with Shipping Carrier option, then choose from available carriers such as USPS, FedEx, or UPS, and ensure your product weights and dimensions are accurately entered for each product within your Wix store. Unfortunately, depending on your Wix plan and region, directly connecting your own carrier account might not be natively supported if not available. Explore third-party Wix apps from the Wix app market that integrate with major carriers to provide real-time shipping quotes and solve this potential limitation for you. And that's it. By accurately setting up your shipping regions and calculation methods, you'll be well on your way to providing accurate shipping costs and increasing customer satisfaction on your Wix store.